Let me do it, honey. Let me do it, husband. Cute.
We got a phone call. Hello?
Do you not see that? I don't think you do, because I'm like amazed by it.
Good morning, my friends. Bobby and I have just made it to our first stop of our honeymoon, which is Tahiti. I have no idea where Bobby is. I just woke up. It's like 8:30 a.m. and I think Bobby's probably at the pool or at the ocean or something. I made myself a cup of coffee. This is the cup size here. A little bit silly. But this place is pretty freaking beautiful, man. Never been to Tahiti, never been anywhere down here. It's close to like Bora Bora, and what else is down here? I think like the Cook Islands and whatnot are also down in this region. French Polynesia area. Very, very beautiful. We're only here for like 3 more hours, and then we have another flight. So this is kind of like a long, extended type of layover. There's one important thing I need to get done. I need to call my man.
Hello.
Hey, is this Kyle?
Yes, sir.
Kyle, what's up, man? It's Devin. Congrats on winning the car, man.
Thanks, man. Long time coming. I'm usually doing like at least 10 at a time, it seems like.
Yeah.
And, alright, well, yeah, congratulations on the marriage again.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
That's pretty exciting.
If you didn't watch the live stream for the EM1, it's on my Instagram feed. It's like 2 or 3 posts down probably. Mr. Kyle Casper from Huntley, Illinois was the winner of the 1076 wheel horsepower all-wheel drive EM1. What are you doing? Alrighty, so we're 5 minutes in. We're gonna go find some snorkeling equipment. I brought the drone, the new drone, to fly it here, and unfortunately it's too close to the airport. So no beautiful drone shots, but you guys get the gist. Look at these things. Bunch of little fishies swimming around. You like it so far? Mm-hmm. Would you like to move in? I might jump off the roof, but then we'll probably get kicked out. But I might do it anyway.
There's a snorkeling here.
Sheesh. All right, our first day here coming to an end, and this is the sunset off the porch. We have a few shark friends that swim around down there.
And they're apparently harmless. Somebody said they saw tiger sharks swimming around, and I saw it too, but I didn't see the stripes on it, so I think it's just a black reef shark. I seriously can't get over how pretty this is. Like, what the heck? Are you not mind blown like me?
It's okay, honey.
Like, I could almost cry, it's so pretty.
All right, so we were in Rangiora for 5 days. We're now heading to the next island, and instead of taking an airplane, we decided to take a boat. So we're on the boat right now. Are you having fun?
I am.
How was the last island, honey? You can give it a review.
It was a beautiful wise 10 out of 10. Gorgeous. We stayed there a little too long, but it was amazing.
There wasn't much to do there.
Lots of sharks.
Yeah, there was a lot of sharks. And I touched a dolphin on the head. So this boat ride is about 30 minutes to the next island called Moria.
Okay.
And you can swimming with the shark, the rays, and they do
Pure relaxation. Oh,
Oh.
looks just like the old joint.
This is so much better.
It is?
It's so much better.
Big bathtub. Ooh,
TV.
coffee machine. And flowers on the bed.
And the AC feels better.
And they must know we're on our honeymoon based off the flowers in the heart towels.
Cute. Did you put that in the pamphlet?
Nope. So this is our next stop, our next destination.
Welcome to the island of Moria.
We're out a bit. So Bobby and I picked up some mopeds yesterday. A couple of tweets. I got a 125, Bobby got a 50. Because to ride a 125 out here, you need a motorcycle endorsement.
Yours is on?
There, yeah.
Alright, buddy. Okay. No, that's enough.
We found a coffee joint that opened 20 minutes ago. We're gonna go rip down there. And then today we're probably just gonna explore the entire island on our mopeds. We have these for another like 20 hours. So we're gonna go up in the mountains, we're gonna go around the entire island. There's one highway that goes around the entire island here. It's kind of like Maui, which is pretty cool. So let's go check it out. Bobby and I just traveled the entire coastline on the mopeds. Took like, what, 90 minutes? Maybe 2 hours?
Yeah.
Back at the hotel, last day here, and then we go to our next destination. So I'm gonna go drink some beers, get on our ferry, and head on out. We made it back to the mainland of Tahiti. Our plane doesn't leave for about 5 or 6 hours, so we're trying to rent a car for the next few hours. We are currently wandering downtown Tahiti, completely lost.
I'm so tired. Or a milkshake. So what are you choosing?
Fat tea. You know, I thought if I waited a week, 2 weeks, whatever, this would be easier to talk about and discuss. Obviously that has not been the case. I've waited a while now, and it's not any easier to think about, to verbalize, to try to put into words. But Bobby and I obviously cut our honeymoon short. We flew home. My brother Cameron wasn't doing too well. I don't know if you guys know this, if you follow his channel or not, but my brother Cameron, 2 years older than me, got cancer for the 4th time. He battled it 3 times previously, somehow beat it every single time. Came back for a 4th time. He had his ups, he had his downs. He had days he was doing great. He had days he wasn't doing so well. He was supposed to make it to the wedding in Hawaii. I talked to him just a few days before we left to Hawaii. He was still planning on making it out, and obviously he didn't end up making it to the wedding. He wasn't doing so hot at that time. And well, to make a long story short, on November 11th, the day that Bobby and I got home, he ended up passing away. It's obviously not been easy for me. It's not been easy for my family. It's not been easy for his wife and the kids. But I'm realizing now that I could sit here for another probably 20 years waiting for the day that I feel like being a part of society again, I guess you could say. But I don't think that day's ever gonna come. I did want to get this video out sooner. We did decide to open up his memorial service to anyone that wants to come, being that he had such a dramatic impact on so many people's lives. You know, he helped so many people out on YouTube and everything with their bikes that we decided, let's open it up publicly. Anyone can come. But the memorial service actually is today in Spokane, so I know a lot of you guys probably aren't aware, but yeah, I needed to get this off my chest, man. It's been very, very tough, and definitely caught me off guard. I talked to him on the 6th. I had no idea that'd be the last day I would ever talk to him, but yeah, I spoke to him on the 6th of November, just a few days before he passed, and I had no idea. He was gonna be here for 5 more days after that. Definitely the hardest part for me is knowing that I never got to say my goodbyes to him. He passed around noon, and Bobby and I's flight didn't land till 4 p.m. So by the time we got home and got off the flight, it was too late. I was gonna say, he got huge, but that is not him. Oh my Lanta, he's a big boy. Look at that dude. Hey.
Oh my gosh.
He recognizes the truck. What? He grew that much in 20 days? Ain't no way.
He's so handsome. Let me see. I'll let you go out first.
What if he doesn't recognize me and he beats me up?
Here you go. Oh my gosh! Piston! Piston! Piston!
We got so big.
Hi! Hi, honey! Hi, sweetie! He is so big! It's so sad!
You smell so good. On a brighter note, we picked up Piston Piston was at his training school for 21 days total. I guess it wasn't really a training school, it's more of like a babysitting thing for Connie courses. He definitely learned a lot. He put on, I think, like 12 pounds in the 21 days. Man, I was so surprised when I saw him. He got so freaking big, and it seems like a completely different boy now. He's so well behaved. Ain't that right, buddy? I can literally bring him to the gym, being that my gym allows dogs to be inside. And he doesn't need to be on a leash. He doesn't need to even have a collar on. He'll just stay by your side the whole entire time. And truthfully, like, I don't know how it worked out this way, but dude, if I didn't have Piston right now, going through this darkest time of my life ever, it would be tough. So it just all happened to work out that right now I got my best friend, my dog, and thankfully he's been great. Sit. It's crazy to think right now he's only 61 pounds. They can get all the way up to like 160 pounds. So at minimum, he's gonna be like 2.5 times the size that he is right now. He's gonna be a very big boy.